On June 30, security researcher Julien Ahrens explained in a write-up the CVE 2025-47812 relates to unauthenticated remote code execution with authority systems right on Wing FTP Server installed on Windows system. Wing FTP Server version 7.4.3 and earlier are affected. Public proof of concept are available, and in a blog post published on July 10, Huntress warned the vulnerability is exploited in the wild. It is now possible to detect if the vulnerability has been successfully exploited with Suricata and PawPatrules ruleset. We can test it with a vulnerable version installed on a Windows system. We can check that the public proof of concept is working properly. We found the executed command on the HTTP request when we open the alert flow details based on the HTTP reply. Here we see the commands are executed with system rights. Thank you for watching.